Back everybody, here we are in Phoenix, Arizona, somewhere around Camelback and 60th Street, and here we'll be doing about 4,000 square feet of glue down wood flooring, and the crew is right now grinding away. Let's go look at that beautiful architectural home. Sure, I love downtown Phoenix historical homes, but this is also pretty gorgeous, and that's fake grass. Very popular here in Phoenix the last few years. And you can see, hey everybody, this is Vinny with Royal Wood Flooring, and this is the direction the wood will be going. It was done by the owner. We'll be going two different directions, and the hallway will be going right to left, and then the main living area will be going front to back. And you can see it's a nice, beautiful home. It is very large, probably 20-foot ceilings, maybe. And this right here, direction-wise, same thing, towards the back. There is a pool that was taken out. They'll be putting a new pool back there. Well, can't see it now. Into the kitchen area. We'll be putting wood floors. We'll be grinding everything here. Hey, I saw you. And over here, same thing, direction-wise. Towards the back. And the bathroom. Alright, let's go check out the rest of the house. So that's direction in this room. Then we got the hallway. Now check this out. That's one of my favorite pieces. It's the glass block. Yeah. Let's go ahead and, so that's the kitchen area like we showed you before. This floor, living room, and we'll be doing this hallway. We'll be doing this hallway. That's laundry. Already got it. Direction-wise, oh, another glass block inlay, love it. Glass block, love it. So you can see the direction. This one is going front to back, this one's going left to right. And that's the front of the house, right there. There's a little more of those arrows. So all this concrete has to be grinded level before we actually do the glue down wood floor. As you can see, that's the main step right there, the front of the house, and that is a nice door, pretty huge. Same thing, direction wise, we're going right to left. Right. There goes more arrows. This is for our records. This way, once the job is done, we'll know we installed it the right way to the homeowner's specifications. And here we have right to left. Nice doors, nice round inlays in them. And this is the back master bedroom. Same direction, right to left. And let's go ahead and see what this back room looks like. Alright. You see a lot of overpaint spray, so we have to grind it out to bare concrete to do a professional glue down flooring installation. Nice, look at that, huh? There it goes again, the arrows. The arrows will be stopping right here where this tile. This is the master bedroom, bathroom. Well, I guess his and her closet. Oh wow, that's a beautiful shower. Look at that, huh? It's a walk-in shower. Pretty nice and huge. Very nice. Look at that detailed work. Look at the nice glass inlay. Wow. Looks great. Well, so I got, I guess, a regular shower and then a douche shower for her. His Man, no problem. Take an easy shower. Woman, need a douche. And wow, they even have their own jacuzzi. Very nice. Now let's go ahead and go back and focus on our wood floors. Oh, his and hers closet. Very cool. Let's go ahead and focus back on the floors. All right, so this room will be done right to left. Let's go and see, take a look at the wood floors that we'll be installing. So you can get an idea what it looks like. Here we are. Let's go back and see this room right here. We will not be doing anything to it. We'll be stopping right there. And this will get some kind of a tile or carpet, we don't know. So there is the glue. You can see it's quite a lot of glue. It is 4K. And here is the wood. Now that is nice wide plank flooring. It is from Arizona Hardwood Floor Supply, so they have great products. They have awesome glue. They're located here in the valley. And as you can see, it's a real wide plank. Nice color too. And that's about 4,800 square feet altogether here. Because there is a little casita in the back we'll be doing also. Look at the beautiful glass blocks. We're still here at the house. Glass blocks and a little more grinding. Back casita will be doing it. And there's the back. We'll be doing that casita after we're done with the main house. And the main house is getting a lot of work done in the backyard. There was a pool here previously. For some reason they dug it out to change the shape of it. So it must be nice when you take out a pool if you don't like the shape and are able to afford a different pool with a different shape just because you got the money and you can. And this is the little casita we'll be doing wood floors in after we're done with that that main house right there. And that should be in about a month or so. Same thing with this casita, it all has to be grinded. That paint, all has to be grinded. You got mirrors everywhere. Maybe it was a gym before, I'm guessing. But this is the little casita. Oh, nice, look at that. Professional gym with 2 TVs. Nice view of the backyard. And once we're done, we'll do an after video also. Give us a call today, 602-446-2613. Royal wood flooring. You'll see the back, the shirt. All right, well, stay tuned for the follow-up video. And if you have any projects you need us to do for you regarding wood floors, give us a call, 602-446-2613, or find us online, www.royalwoodflooring.com. Thank you for joining us and hope you enjoyed our video.